Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana. I do everything on a very tight budget. I'm a single mom of 2 and I'm glad that you're here. How are you? How is everything? It is Mother's Day. I know that this is going to come out very late, but happy Mother's Day to everybody, and I really hope that you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day if you are a mother or an auntie or a grandma, or you know, just someone who helps to take care of kids, like a babysitter, daycare worker, because you guys need love too, even if you don't have kids. Kids are hard. My kids are fighting right now. You probably hear them in like 10 minutes. But I just want to go ahead and film this video real quick. So as of right now, I'm going to be doing my taxes from 2020. These are my state taxes. So my federal taxes, they're actually still telling me that they have no idea where they are. And so, or at least that's what the IRS says when I go and I'm like, where's my refund? And they're like, we have no answers for you. So hopefully I will be hearing something soon. I had to mail them in because of issues. So hopefully I will hear something, because I really need that money, guys. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and start budgeting this one. So I'm going to be budgeting $900 basically. I did get a total of $1,200, but the thing is, I was like, wait, did I get $1,200? I did. I got $1,200. $300 of it, I actually went and got my kids summer clothes. I just added it to what was already in their envelopes, and then I bought myself a couple things like shirts or a pair of shorts that I needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. So the big thing that I'm working on right now is my move. Once I get this situated, I'm going to be able to basically get rid of my storage unit, which is a $150 debt that I pay every single month. I'm going to be able to get rid of just a lot of stuff, sell a lot of stuff, condense everything. So I'm going to be budgeting $641 for this one right here. Okay, that's where the bulk of my money is going, only because the truck that I was originally renting, it actually went up in price because they're going to be charging me to use a towing feature, and it's like $20 a day or something more on top of what I was already paying for. So I need to come up with that money. This one right here is going to be laundry, just regular stuff for my house. I do laundry once like every 3 weeks, so I can wash like sheets. Yes, I do have extra sheets for me and my kids, stuff like that. But I like just the feel of it instead of line drying everything, or like towels. I hate line drying towels. They always feel like crunchy, so I'm just going to put some money toward that. My spending is going to be getting $2. My giving is going to be getting $2. My daughter, this is actually going to be for her back to school clothes. So we've already spent all of the clothes, I should say, or all of the money that we had spent. Why can't I talk? All of the money that I had saved, we already spent it, and then I spent some of this too. So they're all set with summer clothes. But now I have to worry about back to school clothes. So what one kid gets, the other kid gets. So it is $20 for my daughter, $20 for my son. And then for my emergency fund, I'm going to be putting in $10 for the laptop that I'm hoping to get, which would help me with editing videos a lot better. Alright, so for the laptop that I need is going to be $10. For my car, I'm going to be putting $20. Guys, I have been having a very hard time trying to find used cars that are affordable. So I don't know what I'm going to do. My car is lasting me. I think I'm just going to keep saving as much as possible. But I'm going to, even though it is a priority, I'm going to move it to the side. Only because I definitely am not sure how I'm going to ever find a $4,000 car. So I'm just gonna go ahead and push that aside. Let's see. I just said push that aside. No. I think that what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep working on this, but I'm not in a rush right now to buy a car. I know that I desperately need one, but as of right now, it doesn't seem like it's going to be happening. So I'm just going to keep pushing at it, pushing money toward it, and then hopefully when I get my federal taxes, I'll be able to get a decent car, maybe like $5,000 or $6,000. Let's see. So for my vacation, I'm actually going to be putting the most money, and I'm going to be putting $100 toward that. For my license, I'm going to be putting $5. Now I am a pharmacy tech right now, and my license is coming up for renewal soon, so I'm definitely going to need the money for that. For name change, which if you haven't seen my previous video, I'm actually going to be starting to save to change mine and my kids' last names. So name change is going to be getting $20. And this one right here, it's a little bit messy, but it says back to school. I don't like to write BTS because that is the band. I know nothing about that band, so I don't want people to come at me, but back to school is going to be getting $20. For birthdays, I'm going to be putting $5. And for my AC that I've been saving up for, I'm going to be putting $20 in there. Alright, so this is how I'm going to be spending all of my income tax. So let's see, I have the $641 in there. Plus 5, 2, 2.
I'm stuck.
Alright, there you go. So a total of $900. And again, I hope that you can see this. This is everything, guys, that I'm spending my $900 on. So just simple stuff for my sinking funds. And then down here I have a quote. It's messy, but that's how I write. So I'm not a calligrapher or anything like that, but it just says it's not about having lots of money, it's knowing how to manage it. And that is something that I am learning. Okay, so I know that this is a very quick video. I usually go on forever, but I'm just keeping it very simple today. So I hope that you guys have a really good day. Okay, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below, and go ahead and like this video, comment, definitely comment, because I love hearing from you guys, and subscribe, as I am trying to grow my channel. And if you have any questions about anything that I talked about, like I just said, go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll try to get back to you, okay? Have a good day, guys. Bye.